The Hansa Holiday R log cabin provides an excellent combination of indoor and sheltered outdoor area. With almost 40 square meters of living space, this log cabin has an 8x2m canopy from which to enjoy summer sunshine. This luxurious log cabin can be used as a spacious granny annex, generous guest house, rental cabin, or as a summer house for the family. This cabin's standard kit includes 70mm thick wall planks, double glazed doors and windows, in-wall strengthening rods and all fixings required for assembly. These features ensure great stability and a very long lifespan for your cabin, but don't forget that all our buildings come with 5-year manufacturer's guarantee for your peace of mind. This is a large structure, and so considerable previous experience is recommended if you are planning to build this cabin yourself, or alternatively our assembly team can fit this log cabin within 3 to 4 days.